Hello my planner friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be working in my Happy Planner this week. I'm going to be doing my first layout for the week of December. If you haven't seen it, I did post a video on Friday with some information on kind of the plan for this month and my Happy Planner. I am really excited. I'm going to do all Santa Claus themes this month, and I'm really excited about it. I have a couple of really great layouts planned and some really fun ideas. And I kind of the way that it kind of worked out is it's kind of telling a story throughout the whole month, which I'm pretty excited about. The first month is going to be this Woodlands theme that I'm doing, and my inspiration for this one is this little Santa Claus image with this little woodland creatures decorating a little tree. So that came from a company called Little Paper Studios, and this basically everything came from them. So then this week it's just going to be kind of like woodland theme. Santa is in his element in the North Pole, kind of hanging out with his little woodland creatures. The next week is going to be, it's going to be Dear Santa. So like getting his Santa letters and getting all of his letters from everybody, and, you know, kind of that part of it. And then the next week after that is going to be Santa's workshop. So we're going to get like a little glimpse into what that looks like. And then also, and then the week of Christmas, it's going to be Santa is coming to town. So kind of like, I didn't do it on purpose, but it kind of like the progression is kind of cool how it worked. So anyway, I feel like maybe I have an idea or a concept. So I think I'm going to use some of this for the journal card. Kind of liking the idea of it kind of being off the page a little bit. I kind of almost want it to just look like a big tree behind him more than like a journal card. So I think I'm going to cut it kind of thin. So let's just do that now. And then I'll have to use some little plastic things. But then I was thinking about like putting it like that, like kind of like, I mean, obviously it doesn't really look like a tree behind him, but just kind of gives that thought that he's in the woods. So that's kind of what the plan is for that. And then I think I'll probably make it a little shorter, but I'll worry about that in a second. So the other thing that I wanted to do was cover up the middle. I think I'm just going to do 2 pieces across. I want to put this in the center over here. So let's cut those pieces. I think I'm actually going to leave the green, which I hardly ever use the lines that are on the planner. Very rarely do I do that. So let's go ahead and cut this. So that's going to go here. This is going to go over here. Okay, so then I'm going to put this here on this side, and then this guy will go right here. So if this is right here, do I really want that to be wood? Yeah, I don't think I want that. I don't think I want this piece here. If I'm going to put this right here in front of it, and I kind of want this hanging off, I don't want the wood on behind it. So I think I'm going to just only have it on half the page, or half the boxes. And then maybe what I'll do instead, so I'm okay with it like that, because it kind of is it, you know, continues. But do I want to then add some, I think I'm okay with it being like that. Let's go ahead and put another piece over here just to cover this up. Okay. It's already looking very woodlandy. Woodlandy. Let's see. What about this here? Would that work? I had that here. That's kind of cute. Let's do that. I'm going to cut this out. This little like image. I'm going to cut that out. So I'll be right back. Okay. All right. I think I like that better. Okay, so that's gonna go there. Okay. I'm gonna cut this arrow out. I have an idea. I think it would be cute if I put like a little arrow on the little side over here that basically had, because in the journaling cards that I got with all this stuff, it said Dear Santa, and Dear Santa is going to be my next video, or next week's layout. Cutting this horribly. So I thought it would be cute if I put this little thing down there, and then I put that Dear Santa on top of it. Kind of like the next week is Dear Santa. So I'm going to put this like right here. I want it right up against the edge. Cut that little piece off. So put this here like that, and then I'm going to cut that out and put Dear Santa. And it kind of has that wood grain in the background, which I like. All right, so I'm liking that idea of having it like say Dear Santa, like the next one. And then, okay, and then I am going to, I think I want to add some more red to it. So let's go ahead and add in a couple of these. Kind of liking the idea of having this kind of at the top. Again, I think I'm going to keep the green. So let's put this up here. I'll just leave this hole like that. And then that way I can use like a white sticker there. Maybe I can add some red to the bottom of that. Okay, that is it. Okay. Okay, so if I put this here and this on top, is it going to show more? I'm okay with it kind of hanging off the edge even. I think I just want it right here. Like that. Yep. Okay, so let's do that. Let's Okay, and then I'm just going to cut around this little label thing that's on here because I don't want to lose this little label. So that's going to go there. And then I'll have, I think I want to outline this with a little black edge, just to kind of outline it a little bit. And then of course get it all over it. Okay, so then that will go there with the Dear Santa on that. I like that. And then I can write Plan With Me. Okay, and then I could use this little piece somewhere. Even though it's got that little divot cut out, I could just cover that up with something. I'll just cover that with a sticker. Here, let's put it. Oh no, this has a wiring the wrong way. I'll put this maybe right here. Okay, so I'm thinking, since I don't feel like I have a lot of stickers that I can use, I think I'm going to cut like little, kind of almost like little label. I don't necessarily know if I want to write on this, but I'm thinking maybe I could cut like little labels and then just put like white stickers over them. I don't know. Let's see if that works. So, like I could have like I can write like a little to-do list here, other things I need to get done, kind of, and then I think I will do the same thing with this one. I think oh, no, I have this. So maybe I'll put this up here. No, I don't like that. Let's just cut this. I'm gonna cut these. I feel like I just want to have a lot of area to write like little lists. I feel like I need to figure out what I want to do on the side. But I think I want to have like a sticker that's, I think I have some like long stickers. Okay, well, I have this one that has the lines, which I like, but obviously I don't like the color because the color is completely off. So I think I'm just going to cut this sticker out, and I'm going to actually cut out just the lines. So I can have like a little list on the side. Okay, so then we'll just put this over here on this side. It's like a little to-do list for the week. All right. I mean, it's not, you know, the most fabulous thing I've ever put together, but I'm liking it. So let's go ahead and glue all this down with the magic of the internet. Poof! All right, so now it's done. Everything's glued down, and I'm gonna go sticker time.
Okay, I had to switch to a voiceover because during this part of me filming, I was on the phone with my sister and my mom. We were FaceTiming. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this off with a voiceover. So I'm putting on the clear tab to put this in the planner for the journal card, and I just added another piece of the wood paper on the back of it just so it had wood on both sides. And now what I'm trying to do is figure out, I really wanted to use that little bunny that was like handing or holding the little garland thing. So what I thought I would do is I was trying to figure out how I can make it look like he was kind of in the forefront of the, and then kind of going towards that, or, looking at like Santa, like, here I have the little garland. So what I decided to do is I just glued the Santa Claus onto the card, and then I did offset him a little bit. I put him kind of, a little bit, so again, looks like the quote unquote tree thing was in the background. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that little bunny guy, kind of figure out where I want him, and then hold it down, and then I'm going to take a pencil and just trace around where I want him. And then I'm just going to put some little pop dot things, little foam stickers that I got at the Dollar Tree, in that space. And then I wanted to make sure the little hand that was outstretched had a little dot on there, so I just cut one in half and then struggled with it for, a minute or two to get that on there. And then I'm going to go ahead and get that glued on to the journal card once I get all the little paper bits off. So I'm basically just going to line that up then with where I marked the space, and then there you go. Now, I mean, it's hard to see in the video, but it's dimensional, so it looks like he's kind of, in the forefront. And then I just wanted to put that little believe thing on there, and that is it. I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like in the planner. I think it turned out really cute. I really like it. I love all the little stickers and the woodland creatures, so I'm really happy the way it turned out. And then I'm also going, oh yeah, I stuck that little squirrel there, and then I was like, oh wait, that doesn't really fit, so I'm going to go ahead and just put them on the back of that page. All right, and then I'm going to show you my planner from last week real quick here. It's Saturday when I filmed this, so obviously I haven't filled out Saturday yet. So, all right, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.